Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Magali, and look at this cute box we're going to be making today. So this is everything I decided to use to make this box, you guys. I used the almond bark and Ghirardelli for chocolate. I used color meal in the color candy and some sprinkles. Also, you guys, I'll be linking down everything in my description, so make sure you guys check that out to get everything that I use for this box. So for this box, I ended up doing 6 of the berries pink, and then the other 6 will be milk chocolate. And look how cute this color came out. I absolutely love this color milk candy color. It's like so cute. Also, I have no idea why I do this every time I'm about to drizzle, but I always give like a little massage to the bag and then I start drizzling. I feel like it makes the chocolate smoother. I don't know why, but come on, look at the lines on my strawberries, you guys. You guys have to believe this technique. Also, do you guys like the way I recorded this video? I did do a different angle this time, and I think I really like it more because you guys can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit better. So let me know what you guys think. All right, and we back with the pink berries. So I let them set for like 10-15 minutes to have the chocolate harden. And then I decided to add pink on pink for this one. So I did pink drizzling. And then I did the side with sprinkles. And look how cute these berries are. Like, I'm obsessed. Come on, nobody can tell me nothing about these berries. They're hella cute. Also, am I the only person that feels like drizzling videos are so satisfying? Like, what? I have no idea why, but I love to just sit on TikTok and watch people drizzle. It's like so satisfying. I don't know why. So you guys, I ended up finding these boxes on Amazon. Can you guys believe it? Because they were never there before. So I'm gonna have that link down in my description. But anyway, so for the roses, I go ahead and do 3 rows of 4 because they fit perfectly like that. And look how pretty these roses were that I found. They're so gorgeous. And to continue the pink vibes, I decided to get this Stella Pink Rosa. What is it called again? Stella Rosa? My bad, y'all. But anyway, Stella Rosa bottle. And how cute does this look already? Oh my gosh. I feel like this bottle makes it 2 times as cute. And I go ahead and place the berries like 1 pink, 1 milk chocolate, 1 pink, 1 milk chocolate, you know, throughout the whole box because I think it just looks super cute. And I'm not a fan of when it's like one side is all pink, one side is all brown. It's kind of like it gives it a little extra pizzazz, extra things to look at, you know what I mean? Like, it's just so cute. And when I tell y'all these berries were big and thick and juicy, I am not lying, you guys. I was kind of struggling. I had to put the roses up a little bit extra. Like, these were big berries. This is the reason why you see me kind of like messing up, not messing up, but messing around with the berries for a little bit. But anyways, I decided to grab my Wilton sprinkles, and look how cute the milk chocolate ones look with the little hearts. I feel like it adds just a little extra. And tell me this box does not scream Valentine's Day. It definitely does. And don't forget your glitter, because you know everything you add glitter to is just extra cute. Look how cute my Valentine's Day signs are this year. They're so freaking cute. My friend Vicky made them for me. So shout out to her. She's always hooking me up with the signs. But anyways, you guys, I really hope you guys like my YouTube video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront in the description. All right, bye.